Tanang magsaulog, sinulog, siya gitong kusog. Tanang magsaulog, sinulog.
Another contingent from Cebu City is bound to have a comeback this Sinulog sa Sugbo Philippines 2024. It's no other than the 2014 champion for the Sinulog sa Kabataan Dakbayan Elementary Division, the Pundok Baniladnon sa Sugbo. In 2004, they won 5th place for Best in Costume and still in the same place for Sinulog sa Kabataan Dakbayan Secondary Division in 2010. In 2014, aside from being champion for Sinulog sa Kabataan Dakbayan, they were also hailed as the contingent with the best costume and musicality. The newly elected captain of the barangay, who used to be a Sinulog dancer herself, is persistent in bringing back the name of Barangay Banilad on the Grand Sinulog stage, closing the decade-long gap of the group's hiatus.
Nakasayog yun ko dito sa Sinulog twice pagka city councilor na ako. Ni-join yun ko kay number one, naasad mi kuan sa Santo Niño. So, naasad mi gipangayo sa Santo Niño. So, maybe help sa siguro ba nga kanang mo-join mi pasalamat sa Santo Niño.
Led by one of Cebu's most talented dance choreographers, 𝗕𝗿𝗆 the Pundok Baniladnon is coming back with a stronger foundation.
My name is 𝗕𝗿𝗆𝗍𝗆 I've been in the industry. I started choreographing 2012. The barangay is very much excited to offer more for the Sinulog 2024.
The group's concept will revolve around the circle of life, highlighting that throughout our ups and downs, the Lord will always be there to guide us. Comprising a total of 350 members, this activity has become a way for uniting the younger generation of the barangay, including the out-of-school youth.
As you can see sa mga participants and dancers nato, they're youth yun. Youth, just like Santo Niño, we're here to celebrate. We're here to be happy, we're here to be peaceful, and most importantly, we're here to be united as one.
As their big day comes to a close, Pundok Baniladnon sa Sugbo is confident, while at the same time hopeful that they will once again bring home a Sinulog title just like they did 10 years ago.
I'm very positive that we will be on the top 7 or top 5 because the concept is very strong and the dancers are very fluid when it comes to dance. Whatever will be the result, as long as we are able to make some halad with Senior Santo Niño, because this is an annual devotion, veneration, and sacrifices that we made throughout the year. Isip pasalamat sa atong grasya na dawat.
This has been Queenie Joligon for Sinulog 2024 sa MyTV.